Procrastination, process of delaying the action, or maybe process of delaying the action intentionally, or you delayed it because you thought you are smart. If a dog runs after you, will you run? Why? We know we will die. यहाँ पे solution लेने आए थे और confuse होते जा रहे हैं. What doesn't come back? Time. Let's unroll it. Procrastination, process of delaying the action, maybe, or maybe process of delaying the action intentionally. The first one looks bad and the second one looks good. Let's try and connect. I have a project work given to me. Every 12th standard student know one thing, that I have to make projects in my 12th standard. They can be started right from the beginning or they can be done in the month of October. I hope I don't need to tell you when you made it. We all have projects in our college. I hope I don't need to tell you that maybe you started your board's project 15 days back before the project submission, but you start your college project 2 days before the college submission. Quite a progress, right? A very good progress. You guys might be thinking, is he trying to say that this is good or bad? I'll tell you one thing. Before understanding the good and bad, we need to understand one thing, and that is actions and results are totally two different things. Many of us delay the action but reach the result. Many of us delay the action but do not reach the result. Many start studying right from day one but cannot score 95%. Many start studying in the month of January for the boards in May or March, but they get the results. The question is, the good and bad is dependent on if you delayed a particular action. You delayed it because you had a bigger opportunity cost in hand, or you delayed it because you thought you are smart. Many of us delay saying that we are smart, we can complete it in 2 days. And many of us delay saying, I want to do it. I know the seriousness of it, but I have something more important in hand. I will not complete it on day one, but I will make sure that I don't complete it on the last day. I will keep on doing it over a period of time. Now there might be a question which might have popped up in your head. You can raise hand if it happened. Then which one is right? The first one or the second one? The answer is, you have to understand one thing before we go ahead answering this question. If a dog runs after you, will you run? अगर तुम्हारे पीछे कुत्ता भागेगा तो भागोगे कि नहीं अपनी जिंदगी बचाने के लिए? डाबरमैन भागेगा तो भागोगे कि नहीं? चलो हटाओ, लायन भागेगा तो भागोगे कि नहीं? You know you will not win, but you will run. Why? We know we will die. When you have to make the project, do you know why you have to make the project? When you are studying in your undergraduation, do you know why you're doing undergraduation? No. But the answer to the question, who was good, the first one or the second one? The person who did not complete the project in the beginning because he had a lot of things in hand, know why he did not complete the project. The second one doesn't know. He will do it when जब कुत्ता भागना स्टार्ट करेगा ना, तब उनके हाथ चलना स्टार्ट होंगे, और जब तक वो नहीं भागेगा तब तक उनका काम नहीं होगा. डू यू अग्री? क्योंकि वी आर दो सेम पीपल जिनसे अपनी प्लेट किचन तक में नहीं रखी जाती है. मॉम, डैड, प्लीज कीप इट. और इफ यू हैव अ यंगर सिबलिंग, दे आर गॉन. And some are so stubborn, even if they have elder sibling, they are gone. They will not go and keep it. But kya hua? When the dog started running, you started running faster till the time you are on your last breath. Everyone is thinking यहाँ पे solution लेने आए थे और confuse होते जा रहे हैं. But those who have attended my sessions, because this is, I think, the 527th Unity session, which is 527th hour at Unity. They know that it is gonna unroll soon, right? I will take you to one more step and then we will unroll the whole thing. थोड़ा सा और कंफ्यूज होते हैं, फिर पूरे को अनरोल कर देंगे. ठीक है? हाँ जी. क्या लौट के नहीं आता? टाइम. What doesn't come back? Time. Once it is gone, it is gone. एक और चीज होती है जो लौट के नहीं आती, जिसके बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता. अटेंशन गिवन टू समथिंग एट अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. अगर किसी चीज को आपने समझने की कोशिश करना, अटेंशन दे दी एक बार, तो उस टाइम के लिए तो अटेंशन चली गई ना. अब तो उसे वापस नहीं ले सकते. ले सकते? नहीं ले सकते. कोई चांस नहीं लेने का. अब जरा वापस पहले वाले एग्जाम्पल में जाओ. अटेंशन सेकेंड केस में, when the project was 2 days from the date of submission, your attention was taken by the project, but in the beginning the attention was in your hand because you had the time to understand whether I want to give it on day 1, day 2nd, day 3rd, day 4th. Yes or no? क्या दो चीजें हैं? Time, which you cannot get back once it is gone. What is the second thing which you cannot get back once it is gone? It is the attention. Let's unroll it. Ownership theory by PG is what I wanted to name it, like, until and unless we come to a crazy name like the painkiller with no side effects. Okay. Now let's understand the ownership theory. What is that one thing you want to own? Some will say we want to own one car. We want to own one degree. We want to own one house. I'm not talking about these ownership. We want to own our time. We want to own our attention. And we want to own our life. Understand what I say now very clearly, because this is a clear-cut answer of not procrastinating at all. What are the 3 things we have to own? First is time, second is attention, and third is life. Right? Are we understanding what I'm trying to say? Second वाले केस में जब प्रोजेक्ट 2 दिन दूर था, when the project submission was just 2 days from the deadline, when we had to make the project, we were the servant of the project submission date. It means I will put out this concept like this. There is one concept which is called leasing, and there is another concept which is called subleasing, right? You rented a place from the owner, right? I took the place on 1 lakh rupees rent from the owner. I leased the place in 1 lakh rupees, right? Then I subleased it to other people in 50, 50, 50. How much money did I make? 50,000, because 1 lakh I paid, 1 lakh went from 2 people. The last 50,000 came to me. Yes or no? That is the cost you pay to the second kind of the project. Because you sublease your time, you sublease your attention, and you sublease your life because you thought you were smart. That मैं 2 दिन में कर सकता हूं. दोबारा समझते हैं. मेरे को पता तो मेरा सेशन इसी के अराउंड घूमेगा. ठीक है. हमारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? क्योंकि हमें समझ ही नहीं आता. हमें ये समझ ही नहीं आता कि हमारा टाइम हमारा नहीं रह जाता है अगर प्रोजेक्ट की डेडलाइन हमारे सर पे आके बैठ जाती है. अगर काम की डेडलाइन हमारे सर पे आके बैठती है, नहीं समझ आता है ना, तो तब तो रिगार्डलेस करना पड़ेगा. कोई और चारा नहीं है, कोई और चांस नहीं. देयर इज नो अदर वे टू हैंडल अ पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन रादर देन डूइंग दैट वर्क. राइट? आई होप फेलिंग is not an option for you. Giving up is not an option. I'm assuming that. Right? What are you doing then? You have given up your time to that project. आप अब मन से नहीं कर रहे हो, आपको करना पड़ रहा है, आप इसलिए कर रहे हो. आपका टाइम आपका नहीं है, आपका टाइम उस प्रोजेक्ट का है. आपकी अटेंशन आपकी नहीं है, आपकी अटेंशन उस प्रोजेक्ट की है. और आपकी लाइफ आपकी नहीं है, आपकी लाइफ उस प्रोजेक्ट की हो गई है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट. अब एक काम करते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट वर्ड को हटा दो, साइड कर दो, करियर लगा दो. I said a line in the beginning. I will tell you the real reason why I started Unity. करियर हटा दो. अब इसको बिल्कुल क्लियर कर दूं. हम सबको ये पता है कि कुछ करना है. हम सबको ये नहीं पता है, या फिर आई विल टेक माई वर्ड बैक, हम में से बहुत लोगों को ये नहीं पता है कि क्या करना है. राइट? क्या करने के लिए हम अपने 3rd ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज का वेट करेंगे, जनवरी मंथ का वेट करेंगे, या पहले दिन से जानने की कोशिश करेंगे? पहले दिन से जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, जिसकी वजह से हमारी अटेंशन, हमारा टाइम और हमारी लाइफ हमारी रहे, जैसे कि वो हमारी खुद की रहे. वो सबलीज ना हो जाए करियर को, बिकॉज तभी बेस्ट करियर बनता है. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? I wrote one line which probably all of you read, but एक काम करते हैं. Imagine, now let's understand and try to imagine how difficult it is to not procrastinate. ठीक है? Or take a firm decision and own your attention, own your time and own your life. Imagine करो, if you have 30 lakh rupees in your hand, 36 lakh rupees to be precise in your hand, 36 lakh rupees in your hand, and you are 21 years old. But you said, ये लो 21 lakh rupees and मुझे 0 दे दो. Is it a deal of a loss making? It's a loss making deal, right? The person whom these 665 people listening to right now did the same thing at the age of 21. क्यों? Because I knew that my attention is not my own, my time is not my own, and my life is not my own. Because why I am doing it is because my dad wants me to get settled. The settlement can have a different definition to it as well, which is I think we are seeing today. Now, if I can take such a big risk, I thought, why can't a student take a small risk of getting into 5 different types of vocational courses and understand where do my life belongs? If I talk about, let's say, one example, a person is sitting right in front of me. If I take example of Akash Purwar, ठीक है, engineering कर रहा है, but I can assure you one thing, I can bet on it. Come in the month of March, I can bet on it. Study, clear IP MAT, go to IIM Indore, clear your 3 years of college. उसको एक बार मार्केटिंग में, इंटर्नशिप के इंटरव्यू में या जॉब पर हरा के दिखा देना. I can challenge. What did I do? That student did not procrastinate. उसने अपनी जिंदगी अपने हाथ से लिखने का फैसला ले लिया है. हम में से कितनों ने लिया है? 0 ने. रीजन समझ में आया प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट ना कराने का? क्यों स्टार्ट करा? रीजन स्टार्ट करने का सिर्फ एक था. The reason to start the company was only one, and that was to give students one thing: ownership of their life, so that they can take their own decision. Because what did I say? I will delay things, but I will delay when I know what is my opportunity cost. Then the delay is right, and that is not procrastination. That is a smart call. You will not delay it because you don't know why you're delaying it. And that is the answer of all of your life. You don't know why you're delaying something. मन नहीं करता ना पढ़ने का, नहीं करता ना मन पढ़ने का. क्यों नहीं करता? अगेन द आंसर इज बिकॉज पता नहीं है क्यों पढ़ना है. जब कुत्ता भागता है आपके पीछे, तब पता होता है ना क्यों भागना है. तो पढ़ क्यों रहे हो, इसका आंसर है यूनिटी. प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट ना करने का आंसर है यूनिटी. क्योंकि जिस दिन एक इंसान को यह समझ में आ गया कि मैं फाइनेंस में इसलिए गया हूं, मैं पाइथन इसलिए पढ़ रहा हूं, मैं कंटेंट क्रिएशन इसलिए कर रहा हूं, प्रफुल्ल स्टार्टअप इसलिए चला रहा है, तो उसको सक्सेसफुल होने से कोई नहीं रोक पाएगा. और प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट वो तब करेगा जब उसका मन होगा करने का. बिकॉज ही इज द ओनर ऑफ हिज लाइफ, विच अनफॉर्चुनेटली all of us are not. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Because it's a very simple example. We need to ask ourselves, why do we do undergraduation? We need to ask ourselves, why do we need to do MBA? We need to ask ourselves, why do we need to talk to this person and give this person so much time? Because all these three things you say are taking your time, but what is a bigger resource? They are taking your attention. Okay. Let me just try to give a last attempt to make it more clear. I hope it is clear, but I'll try to make it more clear. Why do we think that time never comes back? Once it is gone, it is gone. Because we know दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं, राइट? हमारे पास अटेंशन भी 100% होती है, और उस 100 में से 10% डिले करने को चली गई ना, तो वो वेस्ट हो गई. We don't understand that attention is also percentage based. 100 में से 10% गई तो गई. अच्छा, आज शायद यहां बहुत सारे लोग बैठे होंगे, बट इनमें से कुछ ने, you have seen a drastic change in my life in the last 1 month. I did not give that thing 1% of my attention. 1% of my attention, because I knew one thing: I will lose the ownership of my life. You have to understand one thing. Why do you give attention to something is the answer you need to get before giving it that attention. Because then you don't need to attend any session, I am very small, of anyone in life which talk about failure, which talk about success, which talk about not being attentive, which talks about anything related to a person's personal life. Because now you own your attention. One more thing. Now, I will say sorry first before addressing this point. There are thousand things which happen in our life which are not in our control. Untimely death of an individual, untimely loss to my parents, to our parents, untimely health issues, untimely accidents, and untimely, etc., etc., etc. Now, if ever if you are sitting on that stage of your life, or if you will ever sit on that stage of your life, though I'll pray to Khatu Shamji that you don't have to face that. But if you ever face, don't try to mess with procrastination. Yes, this is same Praful who just said that don't procrastinate and is now saying that don't try to mess with procrastination because it will happen and you have to unwantedly try to make peace with it. Because if you will fight with it, it will grow more and more. If you will let it go on its own, when you are procrastinating, when you're delaying, procrastination word hata dete hain. When you're delaying your actions, when you're being lazy is not procrastination. Let's say that when you're being lazy, चलो एक वर्ड में खत्म कर देता हूं इस बात को, मन नहीं करता और पता नहीं क्यों नहीं करता, ठीक है, बट ये किसी रीजन की वजह से, ऐसा नहीं है ये हर चीज में नहीं, बिकॉज देयर इज अ सर्टेन रीजन विच यू नो. व्हाट इज दैट? आपका अटेंशन किस पर है? मन ना होने पर. अटेंशन न मन ना होने पर है तो आपको पता है क्यों है? हाँ पता है, बिकॉज ऑफ सम अनटाइमली थिंग. देन इट इज राइट. देन यू विल नॉट मेस विद इट. देन यू विल मेक पीस विद इट. And peace will not come in one day. Because the things you have lost were not made in one day. The relations you lost were not made in one day. So let that peace come automatically. I hope I made 1000 efforts, 1000% efforts. If I was successful even 1%, I can tell you the 999 you can write on your own. मेरी बस एक बात समझना, the ownership theory. I hope now I am making you clear with what I want to say. मैं अगेन एक एग्जाम्पल दूंगा एंड आई डोंट वांट दैट पर्सन टू माइंड एट ऑल. मैंने कल अपने एक एक्शन की ओनरशिप ली थी. मैंने एक लड़की को अपनी अटेंशन दी थी और अपनी वो अटेंशन दी थी जो मैंने किसी और को नहीं दी. बिकॉज आई ब्लू हर ईगो डाउन टू जीरो by saying that you are not doing something which is worth your life. And that girl took the right decision today because I knew why I am taking that attention yesterday. I knew why I'm giving that attention yesterday. अगर ये अटेंशन, अगर उसने ओनरशिप थ्योरी इससे पहले सीख ली होती तो शायद वो अपनी लाइफ को इंपॉर्टेंस और अटेंशन उस चीज को खुद से दे दी होती. एंड आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. अपनी लाइफ को अटेंशन देना, अपनी लाइफ के डिसीजन को अटेंशन देना स्टार्ट करो. बिकॉज अगर डिले होगा ना और पता होगा कि डिले क्यों हो रहा है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. और अगर उसके बिना होगा तो क्या आएगी? ओवर थिंकिंग. वो बढ़ जाएगी तो क्या आएगी? एंजाइटी. वो बढ़ जाएगी तो क्या आएगा? डिप्रेशन.